How to sell videos on Squarespace. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step exactly how to sell videos on Squarespace. It is going to be a very simple process, but I'm going to make it even simpler for you if you're not that good with tech and so on. So I'm just going to really take you step by step through it. So let's just go and get started right away. And first you're just going to select the site you want to sell the videos on. I'm just going to go for this one. And once you log on to your site and open up this dashboard, you're pretty much set and we're just going to get started. So the first thing, you're going to land on the website page here, and you're going to be able to set up your website and everything. But in order to add, the products, basically you want to go to the products and services option here, right beneath the website tab. Click on products and services. Once you click on products and services here, you can feel free to manage all the products you actually end up selling. And you can see the drop down here, we get products, which is going to list all the different products that you already have. You can see the orders that have been submitted and so on. You have the discounts and more selling tools that are going to help you later on, if you want to set up discounts, coupons, that type of stuff. But generally speaking, if you want to start selling something, you can go to the products and services or simply go to products. It doesn't really make a difference. And here you can list both products and services as the name entails. So from this page, in order to actually add a video to sell, you basically just want to click on create from the top right corner. Once you click on that, you're going to find all sorts of things that you can actually go ahead and add as a product. So you can add physical products, you can add your services, and obviously for the videos, you want to go to the download option here. You can actually read a digital file customers can download, like an ebook, PDF template, or audio file. Or it could be really images, videos, whatever it may be, as long as it is a digital product. So just go ahead and click on download, and this is going to allow us to set up the product further and add more details about it. And again, it's going to be a very simple process. So let's just go in and dissect this section. First thing is going to be the details, and you're going to add very simple stuff. For example, the actual name of the product itself or the video. So you can just give it any title that you think is going to fit it the most. I'm just going to name it test video product. Okay, there you go, product. And then you're going to add a description, which is extremely important when you actually want to sell items online. This is going to be, you want it to be transparent with the buyer, because at the end of the day, people are just going to actually pay money for this. So make sure you add exactly what you are trying to sell the person, so they know how, they have a great idea of what they're actually going to buy. That was much easier to explain. I just made it way too difficult for myself. So anyway, just go ahead and add your description. So let me just add some text here, just so we can have that. And then you can also feel free to really customize your description further with the formatting options that you have. For example, you can actually go ahead and first change, into heading 1, 2, 3, paragraphs, and more stuff there. You can also make your text bold. Just make sure you highlight your text first. And then you can just set up whether you want it to be bold or not. Set it up to be italics, underline, and more things here as well, like letter spacing and alignment. And there's plenty of formatting options. So just go ahead and, adjust your description however you like it to be. Next up, you have this little tab which says additional information. This is going to be for your product page. You can feel free to add more to it. For example, if you click on here, you can actually go ahead and add more text if you want. I mean, if the description was not, you want to add more text, I'm not sure why you would want to do that. But aside from the text, you can actually click on this plus icon either on the bottom or the top of the text, and you can add a lot of stuff further. For example, images, buttons, videos, forms. It could be anything that you can add to this products page. Hopefully that made a little bit of sense. Next up, you can just go ahead and actually add images to preview the item, so people can actually go ahead and see these images for the product. So you can feel free to add multiple different ones and have one of them to be the featured one or the main one. Doing so is very simple. You basically just click on add images and then just upload file, and you're going to have the ability to add your images. So you can just select multiple. So let me just do that and click on open. Again, this is not the actual product itself. So this is not where people are going to, these are not going to be something that you are selling. These just images that you are going to be using as a preview, basically. And then you could just click on the main one and click on set as a thumbnail. This is going to make it the featured image here. You can see that and on the bottom. But then if you go scroll down a little bit, you're going to find yourself in the inventory section, and this is pretty much where you want to actually upload your video or the product you want to be selling. So this is very important here. Once it says file, you want to click on upload file, and then you would want to upload your product that you want to sell. So just go ahead and click on the video that you want to sell. I'm just going to go for this one. It doesn't really have much, it's just a video that I have. So once you actually upload your video, make sure the name matches. And then you want to go ahead and scroll down and set up the price. So again, inventory is pretty much where you want to set up the product itself. Keep that in mind. For the price, obviously you can price it however you like. I'm just going to do 20, for example. And then you can just go ahead and turn on the on sale option if you want to do that. And if you want to do that, then the top price here, the first one is going to be the before price. And the sale price is obviously going to be the after price. For example, we just cut off $5. So this is how it works if you want to, or if you don't want to, just simply turn this off. Once you're done with this, you're just going to scroll down further and you're going to have more options here to categorize your items or products. This is going to be helpful for your back end of things, and you can just add your products into different categories. For example, you can just do the simplest example I could think of, videos or ebooks or that sort of stuff. So if you want to use this, feel free to do so by just clicking on this plus icon and creating new categories for each category you want to create for your products, basically. And you can also say use tags for almost the same idea, but you can actually adjust this further because it's going to be a lot simpler, and at the same time it's going to help you at the back end. It's not going to help the product itself, I don't believe, in any sort of way, but it's just going to help you to identify them and organize them further. I'm not sure whether it's going to help you with SEO or not, to be completely honest with you. So I have no idea, but I just know that it helps you to organize them. So for the selling tools, you're going to have the ability to add a product add-on. So for example, they are going to purchase the video itself, but you also can offer them the option to purchase something extra on top of the video. It's going to be an optional item. It's not going to be mandatory. So this is the option that you can actually add by clicking on add here, and then you would want to select what that add-on might be. Now you can select this video or product to be a future product, and this is going to allow it to show up in your summary blocks, but I'm just going to turn this off. You can also set up related products which are going to show up as similar products, so it's going to be more like upselling, which is great. So make sure to do that if you have multiple different products already on your store. And then we're going to also set up product reviews. If you want to do this, you will need to go to the selling options on the settings tab and set this up accordingly. We're not going to do this in this video, to be honest. So you may need to, figure it out from within the selling. It's going to be very simple, by the way. And then we have the marketing tab here. For the marketing tab, you basically just want to click on edit. This is very important. You want to first change the URL to match the name of the product that you have, as close to it as possible. And then you would want to rewrite the SEO title and the SEO description. These are very important for your SEO and rankings, so people can actually discover you further. But if you don't know what the SEO title and description are, they're pretty much the search results of your Google search, pretty much. So you can actually see them. This is the SEO title and this is the SEO description. And then we can just go to the checkout here for further options like custom forms or custom buttons. For the custom button, it's pretty much just going to, allow you to give different text for the add to cart option. So we can just do something like download this video. I'm not sure what I'm doing here, but I'm just going to click on apply and use this for the time being. Next up, you can just click on save from the top right, click on save one more time, and this is going to save the product, but it is not going to publish it unless you clicked on publish. Now to actually find your product and manage it, you're going to go to the products and services and then just click on products. And then you basically just want to click on downloads. From here, you're going to be able to find your video or the product you want it to be. You want to manage. Sorry. And then you want to go to visibility and just change this to public if you want to. And then once it's actually public, people can now start buying it, but they're still not going to be able to find it on your website. So there's absolutely no way yet for them to purchase it. So in order to do this, we're just first going to select a page we want to add this product to. I'm just going to use the home page for the time being. This is all a testing at the end of the day. So just select a page, click on edit. And once you do that, you want to create a section. I'm just going to add it right over here. And I'm just going to add a blank section. You can go for one of the templates, but I'm just going to go for a blank one. And then I'm just going to click on add edit section, change the background real quick, at least the color for it. And then basically you want to add block from the section on the top left. And then from here, you want to scroll down a little bit, go to business, and then you will find product here. Click on product. And then you can just move this to the center if you want to, and then just click on edit. Click on add a product and click on search here and search for the name of the video that we just added as a product. So it was called test video product, I believe. Yeah, it's going to pop up here, test video product. Click on that and now it should show up with the image and everything. But you can also feel free to design this further. If you click on design, you can, for example, centralize it if it is larger. You can remove the image, you can remove the title if you want to, remove the price, which I'm not sure why you would want to do that. You can add the description, and you can also feel free to add to the cart option button. You can feel free to add that here as well if you want. So people can actually click this and be taken to the product page, and then from there, they're going to read more about it and so on. You can just click on save from the top left and we are pretty much done. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and thanks for watching.